This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. We're dealing with an LG dryer that won't heat up. It spins but it won't heat up, so we unplugged it. We're going to remove a little side panel piece. This is in the lower right hand corner of the dryer on the right side. We're going to use a standard head screwdriver to pry off this plastic cover. And inside, a little bit to the left, is a thermal overload switch that is on the burner tube, and it has a little button on it, and if you press the button it resets the thermal overload and then the heat will work again. And this is just on the gas LG dryers, but right inside here you'll see a small switch with two red wires coming into it, and in between those wires is a black button. And I'm going to reach in and press that button. If you feel it click, then that means you just reset that thermal switch. If it doesn't click, then there's something else causing your dryer not to heat. But this is pretty common. So we're going to plug it back in and see if that did the job. So we press start. Everything's spinning really good, and we're just going to look in there to see if we got some heat. So that did the trick, and the reason that it may have tripped in the first place is due to the vent tube being obstructed with lint, so you got to make sure you clean that too. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.